So this is April the 7th, and this is my first time of getting out of the house, and for a long time. Hence, you've been seeing obviously older videos that I put out. But today I'm in Alicante, and I've got a friend with me, Pauline, and known Pauline for many years when I was in the bike club, and she volunteered to come out today with the wheelchair. So we're out today. It's a beautiful day. It's 22 degrees. The Alicante beach looks absolutely sensational, and there are quite a few people on the beach as well, which surprises me. But there you go. They're all laying out, getting the rays, getting the sun, getting some enjoyment out of the day. And the start of the week, Monday, and I think people want to just chill out if they can. And with the sun shining like it is, they're going to get out on the beach. So as you come along the beach, I got pictures of Santa Barbara Castle, which is up there. I don't think you can see it in my picture, but we're going along the walkway here, the promenade, and as always, lots of bars and restaurants to choose from. And this one on our left, I've been in a few times, and it's okay. It's not too expensive, and the food was okay. So you know, maybe that's somewhere you'd like to go if you're here. This walkway goes quite a long way. We're not going to go that far because we want to go into the town, and so we'll do a little bit, but not much. And the beach is as along here. There's plenty of people on the beach. I've got a hoodie on, so you know, I don't know if it's just me or you know, these people are mental because they got their clothes off. I don't quite know really, but they seem to be enjoying it anyway. Might get a better shot of the castle as we come along here, hopefully. Let's have a look, see if we can or not. It's not too bad, rather. Yeah, get a little bit more, but yeah, it's not brilliant. It's not brilliant. We've got trees in the way, which doesn't really help. The sea is absolutely sparkling. There's a little bit of wind, but not very much. But we're going to go and have a look around the town as well. Alicante is a nice place to come. There's plenty to look at. Quite easy to spend a day here, or as I was saying just now, maybe come on a Friday, Saturday and a Sunday, have a couple of nights away for a nice weekend. I think it'd be quite nice. If you're in the romance business, it could be very romantic, or it could be just somewhere to come for a weekend. Okay, well this is a better shot of the castle. It's still not brilliant, but it goes all the way along there. And but if you're coming here, it's worth going to. They've got a lift that you can take to go up there, which makes life a little bit easier. So remember that when you come. I'm not sure if you pay for the lift or not. I can't remember. It's a couple of years ago since I did it, but certainly worth going up there. There's a cafeteria, so you can have some food, a drink, and you can see the whole area from up there. Fantastic views, absolutely brilliant. Coming up on the left-hand side, we've got a, I would call it a bandstand personally, but it's where they have live music put on here, which they do quite a few times each year. And I've never been, but I'm sure it's worth coming. And I suppose you'd find out more information through the council offices. I suppose they've got a list of who's coming and when they're coming. But it's quite a big area. Auditorium, that's what it's called. I like to call it a bandstand. We've got a little bar coming up on the left-hand side as well. There's not too many of them along here. In fact, I think that's the only one apart from right at the beginning. There's usually these little huts, like they sort of beach hut type things, selling all kinds of stuff. But so far we've come quite a bit of a distance and there's no one here. So maybe they've moved them, because they do have this habit of moving these things around the town. So they could be put somewhere else now. But certainly I can't see any at the moment. So we've stopped at the moment because Pauline is getting lunch, and she's getting a pulled pork empanada, which I've not had before. So I'm quite looking forward to eating that. And there's a bit of a queue at the moment, so having to wait a little bit for that. But yeah, this street is mega busy with people, with the restaurants and what have you, and lots of dogs, as you can hear. But yeah, all these back streets are very nice, and you know, you get to see more of the real Spain if you come around these streets. You know, it's much nicer, I think, than sticking on the sort of where the shops are. You know, so come on the back streets, and if you want to eat lunch or whatever, this is a place to come. Well, it's good to get out today, and on a beautiful day as well, 22 degrees in the sunshine, bright blue skies, and yeah, it does cheer me up to get out of my house or my apartment and come out filming. And you know, I hope that when this video is put together, you'll enjoy it. And I look forward to trying to get out a bit more, but we'll see. I'm hoping some news next week of the operation, and if I get a date or anything, I'll obviously let everyone know. But keep watching the videos, I appreciate it, and keep subscribing. That's what we need, more subscribers, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Okay, bye, ciao. A busy street, this one. I think everyone really likes to come up here and have a visit, especially if it's for their first time. And you know, as I say, there's lots of people up here, and I just think it's somewhere different, something different and somewhere different. And it's obviously a very popular place to visit in Alicante.